Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basic prerequisites: enough battery and a network connection for cloud syncing. Once ready, open settings and go straight to digital well-being and parental controls. This is where your usage metrics live. Tap the main graph or the dashboard to surface app timers and focus modes. You do this first because deleting data requires locating the right controls. If you skip this, you risk clearing the wrong items. Make sure you can see app-by-app usage before continuing. Once you've opened the dashboard, pick the app whose digital well-being data you want to reset. Tap the app entry, then the three-dot menu or the clear data option shown for that app. You will be prompted to confirm removing timers, focus session history, and usage records, except only after checking what will be erased. This targeted approach avoids wiping unrelated settings. If multiple apps need resetting, repeat these steps per app rather than using broad system resets, because it's more precise and safer. To finalize, use any reset usage or clear all data option in digital well-being to reset totals globally. Once done, check the dashboard to confirm zeros or updated timers. If numbers still show, make sure to clear the settings app cache or simply reboot the phone, because stale caches can hold old totals. If problems persist, back up personal data and perform a factory reset only as a last resort. This fully clears system-level records, but is irreversible, so proceed with caution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.